And now let's shift focus to earnings on the numbers which are flashing on your screen. Bharti Airtel has come out with Q4 numbers with a net profit of 7,325 crore versus 6,631 crore, which is up 10.5% YOY. If you talk about the top line, that has come in at 55,383 crore versus 53,982 crore. Overall, there is a recommendation of dividend of 24 rupees per share, but EBITDA that is also come in at 31,491 crore versus 30,782.8 crore. That has also grown by 2.3% YOY, and even margins have seen an improvement with the EBITDA margin coming in at 58.86% versus 57.02%. Overall, if I see the number correctly, that seems like that margins have improved, the bottom line is up, and even the net profit has increased by over 10.5%. To decode the numbers, we have with us Naveen Kulkarni. Mr. Kulkarni, if you have seen the numbers, how does it look like to you? Anything which is something to be paid attention to?
Yeah, so I think the numbers overall look to be a decent set of numbers. I can see a QOQ growth in mobile revenue services for the India business, right, which is healthy considering this is a shorter quarter compared to Q3 with lesser number of days, right? So that is one number which looks to be healthy. Total subscriber base, I can see that they have added around 5 million subscribers for the quarter. Let's say for 4.7 million subscribers that they have added for the quarter, which again looks quite healthy to me. ARPU is down by 2 rupees on a quarter-on-quarter basis, which I think adjusted for the number of days should be quite okay, right? So we are at 207 rupees ARPU for this quarter versus 245 rupees same time last year and 259 rupees for last quarter, right? So ARPU number also looks healthy. So I would say that these numbers overall look quite okay to me. They are healthy numbers. EBITDA numbers look to be kind of in line, right? So.
Even the ARPU you think is not a cause of concern currently? What is your view?
Not really, right? So at this point in time, obviously there have not been any serious price hikes, and Bharti's ARPU is pretty much the highest in the industry, right? So at 257 rupees, they are still the market leader on the quality of customer base. So, and let's say there is some bit of softness because of seasonality, right? And the number of days which get adjusted, which is by 1%. So, overall, adjusted for number of days, the ARPU is flattish. But I'm not too concerned. Maybe market might get a little concerned, but we might see price hikes coming through in the next, let's say, 6 months or so, and which will take care of ARPU.
So that is the view coming in from Naveen Kulkarni. In line set of numbers, there is some decline in ARPU numbers, but that is not something which should be a cause of concern. For now, the bottom line has increased more than 10%. With this, it's time for a wrap in this edition of News Now. Thanks for tuning in.